If you need to reset your security questions on Yahoo Mail, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account remains secure. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Sign into your Yahoo account. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account security settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then navigate to Account Security. Step 3. Verify your identity. Yahoo may prompt you to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include entering a verification code sent to your recovery email or phone number. Step 4. Change security questions. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your security questions and providing answers, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation that your security questions have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily reset your security questions on Yahoo Mail, enhancing your account's security. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo support for further assistance.